to another property tour. We are standing right in the middle of Columbia Heights, only walking distance from everything. Hey guys, welcome to another property tour. This is Tianni Wilson, and I'm standing in this one-of-a-kind 2-level penthouse. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 2,500 square feet of living space, and plenty, and I do mean plenty, of natural lighting. We are standing in the heart of the home, which is the kitchen. So everything you're going to see here and throughout the entire home is going to be top of the line. So here you have your quartz island that extends throughout the entire kitchen, and it also seats up to 6 people, so it's great and perfect for entertainment. You also have Bosch appliances with your 5-burner stove top. One thing that I think is very satisfying is this 3D wave subway backsplash. Just so, I wish you guys can feel it because it gives it's an amazing feeling. You also have your plug and pull cabinetry throughout the entire kitchen, and if you're anything like me and you heavy-handed, you have soft closing. Double ovens here, and you have your deep sink here. So we are now walking towards your dining and living area. So as you can see, this large table that can sit up to 8 people. And then you have your white oak wide plank flooring throughout the entire home. Here you have your structural glass railing. It gives the home a nice modern touch. Can't forget these huge windows that brings all this natural lighting throughout your entire home. Here you have your den, the stage as an office, but it can be your workout area, your yoga studio, you name it. One thing about this home, you have plenty of storage. Let's be clear on that. Here you have your full bathroom to your right. You have this secondary living space, which can be converted into another bedroom. Here you have your floor to ceiling windows, will give you all that natural lighting throughout your home. So you have your built-in shelves here again, and your gas fireplace. So this is a great spot to just hang out, or again, if you want to make it to a second bedroom, whatever floats your boat. No, okay, so we are on the second level of this penthouse. So this one right here is a mystery door. So if you want to know what's behind this door, you must call me at 240-354-6602 for a showing. We are now entering your primary residence, and before we get to the main attraction, we are going to check out this owner's bathroom. You have your sunken tub here, and you have the structural glass that gives the shower more open feel. You have your his and her sinks, and you also have plug and pull cabinetry in your bathroom. So this bedroom is super spacious, guys. This king size bed looks like a twin in this room. And the stunning chandelier just gives this room so much character. Everything about this room says luxury, luxury, and more luxury. And I meant to point this out downstairs, but you also have these stunning recessed lighting throughout the entire home and your updated sprinkler. So that's minor details. And you still have the same white oak floors throughout the entire second level as well. So here you have your two closets, your his and hers, or hers and hers, or his and his. And when you walk in, it's very spacious. It's very spacious. And you already have your built-in. So all you have to do is come in here and hang your clothes up. So it's moving ready. So if you are looking to relax and wind down after a long day of work and get away from your kids or to spend time with your kids, you must check out this stunning owner's patio.